Hey guys, today I'm making Nazgul or Ring Wraith gauntlets from Lord of the Rings or The Hobbit. Tools and supplies you'll need for this are hot glue gun, hot glue, scissors, razor pens, or a box cutter, spray paint, aluminum cans or thin sheets of aluminum. The first thing I did was cut out about 35 or so pointed parts out of some aluminum cans to make the pointed parts that go on all of the fingers. I then bent these with a pencil into shape and cut some more aluminum to make the little knuckle guard thing that goes around it. I also bent that with a pencil. I cut some more aluminum into a shape that had 4 triangles going down it, and I cut 3 or 4 more of these, and then I cut a part that had 3 of those, and then that eventually went down to 1 point at the end to make the gradual change that the Nazgul's gauntlet has. I then painted the underside of all of the parts with some metallic spray paint, since the actual metal surface will be on the outside. This is just so that you don't accidentally see any of the bottle labels or anything. I then glued together all of the parts that make up the back of the hand, gluing them so that the gradual change goes down from 1 point to the 4 points. I glued on all of the individual finger parts, gluing the tip on first and then the rest as follows. I did 5 on all of the fingers except for the middle, which I did 6 of them. I then trimmed all of the pieces so that they fit on the right way, and then I glued on the back of the hand, leaving a little bit of space to glue on the knuckle guard, which I just glued in 2 spots so that it moves around with the hand like the fingers do. I ended up making another one for my right hand, and they both turned out really good. The aluminum finish really looks nice on these. It's not too bright, but it's not too dull. I ended up making a Nazgul costume for this. You can check it out. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more of my videos, be sure to like and subscribe. See ya.